Hello and welcome everyone. So in these videos, we will see how to create REST API using MongoDB, Express, Mongoose and Node.js. In this upcoming series, we will create user sign up and user sign in RESTful APIs. Okay, we will use Postman as a client. We will see what is Mongoose, how to connect to the database and make queries, and we will also see how to create routes using routers in Express.js. So now let us just start with our project. So I am already inside my REST API backend folder. So I have already opened this using git bash. So I will say npm in it. So I will initialize my project -y. So this will create package.json file. So package.json file is already created. Now whatever libraries I need to install, I will do that. So I will say npm I will install Express, Nodemon, dotenv and Mongoose. These are all the things which we will require for creating APIs. We say enter and all these things will be installed. So we can see that it's already been installed. Okay, this node modules folder is created. Package log.json and package.json file is created. So now I will create um, index.js index.js file index.js. I will create this main file and also simultaneously I will create .env file. So I've already made a videos wherein I have explained why the .env file is used, and also I've created some videos wherein I've explained what is the package.json file and package log.json file. You can check my videos. I will give uh, the link inside the description. First of all, I will go in package.json file and I will say type because I want to because I am very comfortable in ES6 modeling rather than common JS modeling. So I will say type equal to module, and also I will remove this testing and I will say dev. We say Nodemon. I have to give this in double quotes. I will say I will write Nodemon and I will give path of my main file, that is index.js. So I have not included it in some other folder, it is outside only, so I will directly write index.js. Okay, so now I will go in index.js and I will say import express. Oh god, I will say express, import express from express. Okay, first of all we will create a server. So I will say const app is equal to express. So app is already now created. So now I will say app.listen and I will give port and the callback function log server is listening on port, and I will give here port. So have not. Okay, here this is supposed to be port. Okay, so I have to import this port, so I will go in .env and I will say port is equal to 8000. Whichever random number you want to give, you can give it. So now I will create one more folder called as src. Inside src folder I will create config file because I will be configuring this port, right? So I will go inside src folder and I will create one more folder, that is config folder. Okay, inside config folder I will create server config file, server config.js. Okay, so I will import .env from .env and I will now configure it. Okay, .env .config. This will help us to load our environment variable. Now I will say export cons port is equal to process.env dot port. So let us now import this in the index.js file. So I will say import port. Okay, so I have to put here JS. This JS most of the time doesn't come only. So I will write that. So here the port is configured. So let us now run our server. Okay, I will say npm run dev and let's see. So the server has started already. So now we have created our server. So in the next video we will see how to connect to the database, that is MongoDB, and what is Mongoose and all we will see in the next videos. So this is all for today, guys. So be motivated and keep coding. Thanks for watching.